Arizona's news headquarters at 200 ETV. This is 12 News.
Okay, question for you. What happens to your Facebook account when you die? And also, what about more important digital assets? Should they be part of your long-term or estate planning? Here to explain and give us some answers is Jim Rees from the Nagel Law Group. Jim, thank you for being here.
Thank you.
I want to circle back here and ask you about digital assets. Explain those.
Digital assets are basically any activity that you would have or accounts that you would have that basically the sole record is on your computer. I mean, whether it's on your hard drive or online, and whether it's Facebook, which you mentioned, or social media, also blogs, accounts, like financial accounts, banking accounts, investment accounts, as well as pictures.
Wow, so we can run the gamut from Facebook to your banking accounts.
Right.
And everything kind of in between. So should those be included when you're talking about estate planning?
Definitely.
Okay.
Obviously, the financial accounts are just like any other investment. The difference is that when a person dies, a lot of times the personal representative, the start of the process is to start gathering mail, thinking where the mortgage payments are made, you know, these routine things. If everything is coming via email, which is another digital asset that you don't have access to, and all the records of the account are online, the personal representative might not even know a substantial investment account even exists to even start dealing with it.
I'm wondering this, in your one-on-one meetings when you're talking to clients and you bring up, well, have you thought about your Facebook account? This was something that you weren't throwing out there probably even 2 years ago.
No,
Are people surprised when you bring it up?
They are, but the more thought they give to it, say, hey, it is out there, and this is another issue that has to be addressed in some manner.
What happens to Facebook, Twitter? What happens to those social media accounts when people do pass away?
Well, without action, really nothing.
Okay.
I mean, they kind of sit there, and so you could be left with you know, a Facebook profile picture that's kind of inappropriate under the circumstances, or old posts and things like that. And obviously, Facebook would have no record or knowledge or duty to inquire as to whether a person was alive or not.
Very quickly, you're telling us about all kinds of new terms, digital assets. What's an online memorial? People can actually set one up, right?
Right. Well, on Facebook, you know, they have so many members now worldwide. I believe in 2010, they had in excess of 300,000 users pass away in 1 year. And obviously, that will be increasing. So they've had to develop some policies about how to do this. So they do have an online forum that they can take you through the process, so family members can step in with some proof of death and proof of relationship and move forward and either kind of put your page down and terminate the account, or else kind of switch up what is on there, so you won't be getting all the notifications to other friends that, you know, you should friend this person or things like that, but you might be able to switch the photo and have people post on the page, you know, comments and memorial type nature.
Okay, those are some really good tips. Social media evolving even in the afterlife, I guess, even after we pass on. Jim, thank you very much for being here. We appreciate your insight. By the way, we've got more information for you. Log on to 12news.azcentral.com and then click links on 12.